What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over one of my favorite on-the-go meals, salad jars. Now we're going to be starting off with our homemade dressing right at the bottom. That way it makes it easier for mixing later on. Now you can honestly layer your salads however you'd like. I use different veggies, different meats, different cheeses. Sometimes I don't add cheese at all. Different beans. You want to be able to switch it up so that way you never get bored. As you see here, I'm even making my own olive oil mix for my salads, which is a good thing. You can always switch up your meals. You can be creative, try new dressings you've never tried. Even try new vegetables you've never tried. You have to keep it fun so that way you don't feel like, oh my gosh, I have to go to a restaurant to get, a really gourmet flavor. You can honestly make better food at home, healthier food at home, and food where you don't know if there's any type of rodents, bugs, anything like that running around. I live in New York, guys, so I've seen a lot when it comes to these restaurants. So I personally started to really cook at home a lot because I wanted to show myself that I can eat good food at home. I can eat food that has a lot of flavor at home. I don't have to worry about spending that extra money on food that's processed or food where I'm not even going to have any leftovers afterwards. One thing I love about cooking is that I always have enough for leftovers. You save a lot of money when you cook at home, and of course you know what's going inside of your food. You know the environment that your food's being cooked in. It's just a better feeling. And honestly, who doesn't love salads? Okay, I'm not going to ask that because I don't know if you love salads. But salads is one of those meals where back in the day, it was probably the last thing that I looked at on the menu. But now it's one of the first things that I have to get. What I love about salads and greens is that it's really high in fiber, really rich in nutrients. And the good thing about fiber is that it helps you feel full quicker. That's honestly my favorite thing about salads. You're full and it's minimal calories. Lettuce doesn't have that many nutrients or vitamins, so I usually like to stick to my leafy greens like kale, spinach, greens like that. I really love avocado in my salads because avocado is my go-to fat. One thing I've learned about when you're really trying to cut down on weight is that you don't want to cook your fats. You want the fats where you can just put them right with your meals. So I usually stick to my avocados for my fat, and when I'm cooking, I usually use something like a non-fat cooking spray. I know I'm giving you guys a bunch of random information in this salad video, but making a salad is pretty easy, but I want to make sure that I give you as much information as possible. I always make sure to tell my clients that you can train with me every single day, but if you're not eating right, if you're not portioning right, it's going to make a big difference in your journey and when it comes to your progress. So if I could leave you guys with one corny phrase, because I'm corny as hell, I'm going to say, a salad a day keeps the tummy away. Thanks for watching.